Good morning grade 3 and welcome to our English class. Now children, let me begin with telling you that there is a slight change. Last time I had told you that we have completed this lesson, Unit 1, right? We have completed this lesson, Unit 1, and I told you just to get an overview of the lesson, I am going to give you a short test. Remember children? Remember, I told you just to do all this vocabulary, comprehension, spellings, right? So now children, there is a change because you have a short break. So what I am going to do children is, I am going to give you this test right now, that is today, and you may complete it and send it by next Wednesday, right? So the test is, don't be worried children, it's just an overview of the lesson. So this will be your test. Who were the Vikings, right? You have vocabulary, you have punctuation, you have grammar, then you have your spellings. So this is going to be your test and you will complete it by Wednesday. You even have to learn the new words and the comprehension also children. Now children, I have got something very interesting for you. I hope you will enjoy it. What you are going to do is children, once you complete this test, this writing part, okay, the grammar part, you are going to do it in a different way. I have got some strips of paper. Can you see this children? Okay. So these are some strips of paper. Let me move this little ahead. Okay, can you see them? Here there are a few more, This is, and here there is one more. Can you see it? I move it a little ahead. I will even post this children. So what you are going to do children is, with the strips of paper is, you are going to first divide them into 3 parts. That is, you are going to make 3 points. You know how we had made, this is your, this activity children actually is your writing part, where you had this paragraphing in non-fiction writing. You had this. So this activity of yours, this strips which I have here, this is this activity. Okay. Now for this activity, first what you are going to do is, you are going to make it like this, like these notes. The notes are already there. Okay. You just have to put them, which is going to come first, which is going to come second, and which is going to come third. So there will be 3 aspects. 3 aspects means children, you should have 3 notes, 3 points, right? Do you follow children? These are notes. The notes are already there, but you have to decide which notes will come in first point, which notes will come in the second point, which notes is going to come to the third point. So I have made a planning sheet children for you. This is going to be your planning sheet. So you will place these notes. You decide which will be in first, which will be in the second, and which will be in the third. So totally you will have 1, 2, 3. So you put these notes here, then in middle you have to put those dashes, hyphens, right? And once you're done with this, children, you will make paragraphs. Now children, look here, there are 3 points here. So you will have 3 notes. Your information will be in 3 notes over here. And these notes you are going to use as your paragraph. Now since you will have 3 points here, how many aspects you will have, children? What we said is every paragraph has an aspect, correct? So you will have 3 paragraphs over here. Clear? I repeat again, children, please pay attention. These are some strips of paper. What you are going to do is you are going to decide where you are going to put them. Point 1, point 2 and point 3. Okay, so these will be your notes. In middle, in between these phrases, you are going to put these dash as they have put it over here. Can you see? Same way. Once you are done with this, then you are going to write your paragraphs. So children, once again I repeat, my instruction is today there will be no teaching. I'm not going to teach you anything, because if I start a new lesson, then there is going to be a gap of few days, and then again I have to start a new lesson, right? Sorry, again I'll have to continue with that same lesson. So there will be a little gap. So I don't want that gap. For this reason, the test which I told you that I am going to conduct on Monday is I am going to give it to you today. Okay, the test is on what, children? Who will tell me? Word check, new words, comprehension, vocabulary, spelling, punctuation. Very good. Okay, so first you will study all that, and then you will start writing your test. This is the test, right? Everything is covered here. It's an overview of the lesson. And once you're done with that, children, then you're going to do this writing. Writing is this activity which you have. Okay, first you will make points, decide which strip, which you are going to write where, which phrase you are going to write where. And once you are done with this, then you are going to write your paragraph. So that's all, children, from my side, and wish you a happy holiday, happy Eid. Enjoy and have fun and come refreshed next week. Thank you, children. See you soon.